Hi, so we are going to see how to add a research paper to Google Scholar. So, hi, this is Dr. Puravi, and if you have written your first paper and want to get it visible on Google Scholar, I'll show you how to do it in a step-by-step process.
Namaste. Welcome to
Bit
Science. Unlock the secrets of life
and technology
with our comprehensive biology
and computer science education.
It's going to be like scholar.google.com, or you can just type Google Scholar. Let's go into that. So, if you see this shows the Google Scholar profile of mine. Now, if you see the profile, this is how the profile looks like. So this actually shows the entire profile where you have all the citations and then you have my name and all the stuffs and the publications based on year and year. And then you have your review affiliation, photographs you want to add, review public access or add authorship. So since I've already done it, you need to actually put your affiliation. So for example, let's see this how it works. So affiliation as this institute was given. You can actually change your affiliation in case you want to change your stuffs. You can actually change all the stuffs here and you can save it. Now the major part which comes here is how to add your affiliation or everything. So, once you make it, they're going to send you a email verification on this particular email, whichever email you're using. It should be an organization email ID. So they will send you. So let's see if you want to add the paper manually. So here, if you can see, there is the plus mark. Add article groups, add articles manually, contribute article update. So we want to add article manually. So in that case, we will see how it shows. So here there are a lot of things which comes from journal, conference, paper, book, these and rest all the things. So you need to actually write your article here. You need to put the names here, and then you can add your publication date. As a given example, journals. Whether it is your ecological informatics, molecular biology reports. The volume also comes here. Then there is an issue. The volume will also be written. And like for example, if you can see here all these stuffs, right? So this is a volume, this is the issue, and this is the page number which comes here, and the publisher which was there. Since this is the molecular biology reports, this is I guess it comes under your Springer journal. So your journal name goes here and the publisher goes here. So this is how it works, and once you're done with it, you can just save and it will be good to go. So generally what happens when you write the paper based on your affiliation, it would just come like this, if you can see here. And if not, there is another process which is to be done manually, and you make sure that you put all the details properly, otherwise it would be difficult. And if your paper is already online, you can do that also.
As you have seen, Google Scholar is an incredible tool in the 21st century. It makes research more accessible and helps your work reach a global audience. Whether you're a student, researcher, or in academics, it's a must-have resource for building and sharing knowledge. If you're interested to explore into the research process, don't miss my next video, where I'll guide you step by step on how to publish your manuscript in an international journal. It's perfect for researchers who want to make their mark in the academic world. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.